Are you thinking, how can I learn English quickly and easily? Maybe you feel it is too hard or you don't know where to start. Don't worry. In this video, I will share simple and effective ways to learn English. Stay with me until the end because I will tell you some secrets that can make learning English easier and more fun. Learning English is not just about knowing a new language. It is about opening new doors of opportunity. You can get better jobs, talk to people from different countries, and travel the world without fear. English can help you grow, and today, I will show you how you can learn it faster. First, let us understand why English is so important. English is spoken by more than 1 billion people around the world. It is used in international business, education, and even in entertainment. If you can speak English, you can connect with people globally. For example, imagine you want to work in a big international company. Knowing English can make your chances of getting the job much higher. Now, let us talk about 5 simple ways to learn English quickly. First, use English in your daily life. Start small. For example, say water bottle. Try to name everything around you in English. Second, watch English TV shows or movies. Choose shows like Friends or The Office. Watch with subtitles. This will help you understand how people really speak English in daily life. Third, write a daily journal. Every day, write a few lines about your day in English. For example, you can write, "Today I went to the market and bought vegetables." It is okay if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Fourth, change your phone settings to English. Since we use our phones daily, this small step can help you learn many new words. Fifth, talk to English-speaking friends. You can use apps or social media to find people who speak English. Practice speaking with them. It will help you become more confident. While learning English, try to avoid some common mistakes. One big mistake is expecting quick results. Learning any language takes time, so be patient. Another mistake is focusing too much on grammar. Grammar is important, but speaking and listening are more useful when starting out. Finally, try to think in English. If you always think in your native language, you will find it harder to become fluent in English. Let me give you some encouragement. Learning English may feel difficult at first, but every day you practice, you are one step closer to success. Many people around the world have learned English as their second language. If they can do it, so can you. Your journey to learning English can be exciting. Start today and do not stop. Every small step you take matters. If you follow the methods I have shared, you will improve faster than you think. If this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel. I will bring you more videos to help you grow and learn new things. Together, we can achieve great things.